Life happens. One week you're crushing it in the gym, the next work or family pulls you away. Days off turn into weeks, and suddenly it's been a month since you last trained. You look in the mirror, worried your hard-earned muscle is gone. This fear is common, and powerful enough to keep many from returning. But here's the truth. Your progress isn't lost, just dormant. While you might lose a bit of size or strength, your body is far more resilient than you think. Muscle memory is real. Your muscles retain a blueprint of their former strength. This means your comeback will be much faster than your original journey. Understanding this can turn anxiety into confidence. So let's explore what really happens when you take a break, and how to make your return smarter and easier. You're not starting over. You're reactivating what's already there. Muscle memory isn't just a catchy phrase. It's a biological advantage. When you train, your muscles add myonuclei, which act like managers overseeing muscle growth. Even if your muscles shrink during a break, these myonuclei stick around, sometimes for life. That means your muscles keep the machinery for rapid regrowth. When you return, you don't have to build this system from scratch. The managers are ready to ramp up protein synthesis and rebuild muscle quickly. This is why regaining lost muscle is so much faster than building it the first time. Your body remembers how to be strong at a cellular level, so your past efforts are never wasted. They're banked for your comeback. The next time you worry about lost gains, remember, your muscles are primed for a fast return. You're not starting from zero, you're reactivating a powerful system. That's your body's secret weapon. Trust it, use it. Strength isn't just about muscle size, it's also about your nervous system. Early gains come from your brain and nerves learning to fire muscles more efficiently. This neural adaptation happens fast, making you stronger before you even look bigger. Over time, muscle fibers grow, adding to your strength. Both systems, neural and muscular, work together but on different timelines. When you take a break, both lose some edge, but both have a memory. Your brain quickly recalls efficient movement patterns. Your muscles are ready to regrow. That's why your return to strength is so rapid. You're not just rebuilding muscle, you're reawakening your entire system. The comeback is always faster than the first climb. Progress in the gym is all about progressive overload, challenging your muscles a bit more each time. This doesn't just mean adding weight, it can be more reps, more sets, or less rest. The key is small, consistent improvements, not giant leaps. After a break, start lighter, about 50 to 60% of your old max, and focus on perfect form. Then ramp up weight or reps faster than a beginner, thanks to muscle memory. Don't rush, let your body readjust. Track your progress and celebrate the rapid gains. Progressive overload is your roadmap, just follow it at the right pace. Your body will catch up quickly. Stay patient, stay smart. Worried about losing muscle? The timeline is slower than you think. Strength drops after 2 to 3 weeks of total rest, but it's mostly your nervous system, not muscle size. Muscle atrophy takes longer, usually 3 weeks or more. Even then, losses are gradual, not dramatic. Short breaks, like a week or two, barely make a dent. Stay active in any way, and you'll hold on to even more. Most lost strength returns quickly once you're back. Don't stress over short layoffs, they're a normal part of the journey. Your body is built to hold on. The best news? Regaining lost muscle and strength is much faster than building it the first time. Studies show that after a break, you can catch up to your old numbers in weeks, not months. Your muscles and nervous system are primed for a comeback. The first few weeks back often feel like you're making progress every session. This rapid regain is proof of your body's resilience. A break isn't a disaster, it's a pause. Your previous work leaves a lasting legacy. Come back with confidence, not fear. Your body is ready to bounce back. Trust the process. Even during a break, you can protect your gains. Keep your protein intake high. Aim for about 1.6 grams to 2 grams per kilogram of body weight. Do light activity if you can. Body weight moves like calisthenics, walking, or use resistance bands. The goal isn't to grow, just to remind your muscles they're needed. Maintenance training takes little effort but pays off big. Sometimes a planned break is the best thing for recovery. Use the time to heal, rest, and recharge. Focus on sleep and nutrition. A smart break can set you up for even better progress. Make your time off work for you. Ready to return? Don't jump back in at full speed. Start with lighter weights, about half your old working sets. Focus on form and moderate reps to reawaken your muscles and nervous system. Keep volume lower for the first week or two. Expect some soreness, but avoid pushing to failure. Thanks to muscle memory, you can ramp up weight or reps faster than before. Track your progress. It's motivating to see how quickly you bounce back. Prioritize recovery, sleep, nutrition, and hydration. Don't rush. Steady progress beats injury. Your comeback will be faster than you think. Be patient and enjoy the process. Fitness isn't a straight line, it's full of ups, downs, and breaks. Don't panic when life interrupts your routine. Your body is resilient, your hard work is never wasted. Muscle memory and neural adaptation guarantee a rapid return. See breaks as pauses, not setbacks. Use time off to rest and refocus. When you're ready, return with confidence and patience. The comeback phase is often the most motivating. Lifting is a lifelong pursuit. Embrace the rhythm. Trust your body, trust the science. Your foundation is always there, waiting. Your strongest days are still ahead. So the next time life forces you out of the gym, remember your body's been there before, and it can get there again. Faster than you think. Train smart, fuel your body, and trust the science of muscle memory. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more science-backed fitness content, and drop a comment. What's the longest break you've ever taken, and how was your comeback? Stay strong. I'll see you in the next one.